All right, good morning, boys and girls. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do a teacher model on adding with regrouping. Now, we've been learning to use base 10 blocks and expanded form in order to regroup, and we can also use place value, which we're going to be learning about today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to model several different ways. Okay, my first way is going to be using expanded form. So I have 456. What I can do is I can go ahead and let me just move my face over a little. So what I can do is I can go ahead and add 400 plus 50 plus 6. That's my expanded form for 456. Then I can come down here and I can expand 166. So it would be 100 plus 60 plus 6. So I have my expanded form, and what I can do is I can go ahead and I can add those now together. All right, so we're running into a little bit different situation here. We have a 6 and a 6, which equals a 12, okay? So what do? What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to think we can make a 10 out of 6 and 6, which is 12, and we can have 2 left over. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to add that 10 to our 10s. So we're going to put that right up here. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and add our 6 plus 6, which equals a 2, and then we're carrying that 10 or regrouping that 10. Okay, so here you have 50, 60, and another 6, which would be 120. So now you've got to take that 100 and you've got to go ahead and you've got to regroup that to your hundreds place. So this is my 100 that I'm going to regroup up here. Okay, so we had 120, right? So we've got to go ahead and we've got to put the 2 down here because we took the 100 and we regrouped it over here, so we have 20 left over. We don't want to put 20. Well, we could put 20. Yeah, we're going to do 20, and then we'll do our written form after we have it all expanded. Okay, and then we have 4, 5, 6, 600. We'll just put in our pluses so that you can see that expanded form. All right, so 622 would be my answer. So that would equal 622. Now I can come on over here and I can just use place value and I can regroup very similar to how I did this expanded form. So this is a second way now. So we can come in and we can add 6 plus 6, and we know 6 plus 6 is 2. It's 12. We're going to put the 2 down here, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to regroup the 1. And we're going to regroup the 1 over the 10s, just like we did in our expanded form. Whoops, didn't want to stay there. All right, so we've got 5, 6, and 6 is 12. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put down the 2. And we're going to regroup the hundreds because we have a 120, remember, over here, and we had to put the 100 up there. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to regroup that hundreds. And then we got 4, 5, 6. 622. Okay, so that is adding with regrouping, and that is our teacher model. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do one all together, and you can work on this with your whiteboard as we're doing this. Now you can do it any way. You could either do it doing the expanded form. If you want to, you also have the base 10 blocks, which I sent home with you at the beginning of the year. You can cut them out and you can start manipulating those. Or you can go ahead and just use place value. Okay, so I know 8 plus 9 is 17. So I'll write my 17. So I bring my 7 under my ones, and I'm regrouping my 110 that's left over. So we're going to put it up here in the tens place value. So we have 9, 10, and 3 is 13. So I take my 3 and I bring it down to underneath my tens. And I've got to regroup that 100. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this over my hundreds place value. And then I have 2, 3, 4. So my answer is 437. Okay. And then I left one problem for you to do. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wait about 2 minutes for you to go ahead and do that problem on your own so that you can see that you can be adding to regroup. Okay, so you're on your whiteboard and you're adding and regrouping 738 plus 258. Okay, we're going to go ahead and we're going to check your answer. All right, I'm going to use place value to go ahead and add with regrouping. I know 8 plus 8 equals 16, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write down my 16 over here. So I'm going to go ahead and take my 6, which is in my ones place, put it under my ones, and I'm going to take that 1 and I'm going to regroup it to my tens. Then I'm going to go ahead and add 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. I'm going to put that under my tens because we're adding our tens place value now. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my 7 plus 2, which equals 9 also. So my answer is 996. I can come up here and I can make this color red so that you can see that that is our regrouping. Okay, so some other things to keep in mind when we're adding to regrouping. We always start in our ones column and we move from ones, tens to hundreds and then eventually thousands. Okay, really, really important, and that's a teacher tip that I have for you. Okay, so this is adding within 1,000, adding to regroup lesson. If you need to, you can come back to this lesson and you can make some practice problems on your own so that you get a really good handle on this. And I will be talking to you soon. Thanks. Bye.